Men, listen up. If you have been struggling with low energy, weak performance, or just not feeling like yourself in the bedroom, you are not alone. Today, I am revealing 10 powerful foods that can naturally fight erectile dysfunction, boost blood flow, and bring back your confidence without pills or side effects. Stick with me till the end because number 7 is a delicious game changer you want to eat every single day. So let's start. Number 1, beets, the blood flow booster. Beets are one of the most powerful foods for improving blood flow. They have loaded with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes blood vessels. When blood vessels relax, they open up, allowing more blood to flow where it's needed most. These bright red root veggies are nitrate rich, meaning your body turns them into nitric oxide, the same compound that helps you maintain strong erection. Drink beet juice or add roasted beets to your meals for an instant vascular upgrade. 1 glass of beet juice a day can improve stamina and performance within weeks. Number 2, watermelon, nature's Vigra. Watermelon is not just refreshing. It's a natural performance booster hiding in the plain sight. It contains a powerful amino acid called L-citrulline, which plays a key role in increasing nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow, especially to areas responsible for sexual function. In fact, some researchers called watermelon nature's Vigra because citrulline helps support stronger, longer-lasting erections, but without the risks of side effects of medication. Studies have shown that men who regularly consume watermelon, especially the white rind part, where citrulline is connected, experience noticeable improvement in the both performance and confidence. For best results, try blending fresh watermelon into smoothie or eating it 3 to 4 times per week on an empty stomach. Number 3, spinach, the green powerhouse. Spinach is often called a superfood, and for good reasons. It's rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps improve blood flow by relaxing the blood vessels. Better blood flow means stronger, longer-lasting erections, especially for men over 40. Spinach also contains nitrates similar to beets, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound essential for increasing circulation to vital areas. Not just that, spinach is high in folate, a B vitamin that boosts energy and may help prevent erectile dysfunction caused by poor blood flow. Plus, magnesium in spinach also supports testosterone production, indirectly helping improve libido and performance. You can eat spinach raw in salads, steam it lightly, or blend it into smoothies. Just don't overcook it or you lose those valuable nutrients. Number 4, pomegranate, the most effective fruit. Pomegranate is one of the most effective fruits for improving blood circulation. It's packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect the lining of blood vessels and keep them flexible, which allows for stronger, more consistent blood flow. In fact, clinically studies show that men who drank 1 glass of pomegranate juice daily for 4 weeks saw significant improvement in erection quality and stamina. Pomegranate also helps increase testosterone level, especially in older men, by reducing cortisol, the stress hormone that blocks testosterone production. Whether eaten as seeds or juiced, adding pomegranate to your routine can lead to noticeable improvements in performance and energy. Number 5, garlic, the bedroom perfume you did not expect. Garlic has been used for centuries to improve circulation and cleanse the blood. Modern science now confirms that garlic helps lower blood pressure, dissolves arterial plaque, and improves blood flow, including to the pelvic areas. It also increases the availability of nitric oxide and improves testosterone sensitivity. Eating 2 or 3 raw garlic cloves daily with warm water or honey can gradually enhance energy, stamina, and performance. Plus, garlic is excellent for heart health, which is directly linked to erectile strength. Number 6. Dark chocolate health booster. Dark chocolate is not just a treat, it's a health booster, especially for circulation. It contains flavonoids, which improves blood vessels elasticity and reduce blood pressure. These effects allow for better blood flow to sensitive areas, supporting stronger and more responsive erections. Dark chocolate also increases dopamine, the pleasure hormone, and lower stress, which boosts libido and confidence. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa and eat in moderation. 1 or 2 squares a day is enough. Number 7. Berries. Sweet, juicy and powerful. Strawberries, blueberries and raspberries. These little guys are antioxidants bombs that protect blood vessels, reduce inflammation and keep your arteries flexible. Translation: stronger, more reliable blood flow where you need it most. Snack on them daily. Your future self will thank you. Number 8. Nuts. Walnuts and almonds. Walnuts and almonds are superfoods for male health. They are packed with omega-3s, L-arginine, zinc and vitamin E, all essentials for blood flow and hormone balance. Zinc supports testosterone production, while L-arginine boosts nitric oxide levels, a powerful combo for erectile strength. A handful of nuts daily can help increase energy, improve vascular function, and even boost fertility. Just avoid salted or roasted versions. Go for raw or soaked. Number 9. Oats. For maintain erections. Oats are more than just a healthy breakfast. They are a natural enhancer for blood flow and testosterone. Oats contains L-arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide levels, helping relax blood vessels and increase circulation. This improves the ability to get and maintain erections, especially for men with early signs of erectile dysfunction. Additionally, oats lower cholesterol, keeping arteries clear, and healthy arteries means better blood flow everywhere. Try oatmeal with nuts and fruit for a double boost to your heart and hormone health. Number 10. Salmon. For cardiovascular and sexual health. Salmon is one of best foods for cardiovascular and sexual health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it reduces inflammation, improves blood vessels flexibility, and increase nitric oxide production. Omega-3s also help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and support brain function, both linked to better perform for men over 40. Eating salmon or other fatty fish 2 or 3 times per week can make a big difference in energy, stamina and circulation. If you don't eat fish, consider taking high quality omega-3 supplements instead. And there you have it, 10 natural foods that can help you fight erectile dysfunction, boost testosterone and reclaim your confidence, all without harmful chemicals. Remember, along with these foods, regular exercise, stress control and enough sleep are the real keys to a strong and lasting love life. If you have found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more science-based health tips. Stay healthy, stay confident, and I see you in the next one.